lebih elastic, ya. And from the special material, ya, the plastic material is more elastic. Karena seringkali kalau kita lari itu seringkali ambil tekan, maka biasanya saya kalau biasa tumpah gitu ya, maka harus ada tutupnya, lipnya. Tutupnya itu kalau botol lari digigit, you need to bite and then the water
Soft flash. Soft flash.
Yeah. There's, I think it's so many design here for this one. Okay. The other tools to understand the customer voice is Kano model, the graphics. Vertical is customer certification, jadi semakin ke atas semakin satisfied, yeah. And this one the performance. And then in Kano models, we have three graphics: basic explanation, and then performance, and then expected attractive. What is the basic expectation? Basic functional. Can you give example?
Maybe a pen, but
Must be, yeah, basic explanation.
Oh. Yeah, example like pen. The function of a pen is to write.
The basic function, yeah.
Yeah.
So the basic feature, the basic what is button, something like that. For example, on off is the basic. Yeah. If this design and don't have on off, yeah, so it's not good. We can't operate the projector. What the other example? Brake in a car, ya, di rem mobil, itu saja itu basics. Mirror is not basic. Bisa tolak-tolak ini kan. Kalau rem ya basic, bagaimana gitu? Kalau bicycle, misalnya sangat basic, pakai kaki kita juga, tapi ya sakit, harusnya basic. Rem itu basic. At least in laptop, I think basic as well. Yes. Apalagi
Kamera. Kamera.
Kamera.
Ya, foto gitu.
Basic for mobile phone, kamera. No, I think yeah. Mobile phone long time ago just for basic communication. Basic communication is like phone calling, yeah, or somebody, or send text is basic. Camera, you know, because every series of iPhone or Samsung is different modification, yeah. Dulu nggak begitu clear, it's not clear the image. Now the photo is very good. Bahkan you can delete something that you don't want to inside in the photo. For example, you are going to somewhere and then take a picture, loh ada apa namanya, ada ayam lewat gitu. Bisa kamu delete dan tinggal picture. Tapi video belum bisa ya. Sehingga saya yakin itu that is not the basic. Okay, performance, yeah, this one, the performance, yeah, harapannya seperti itu. Semakin performnya bagus ya semakin puas, ya kan? For example, the quality of the sound of mobile phone when you are talking with somebody, maka kalau semakin clear, semakin bagus, atau semakin strong the signal, itu semakin bagus, ya kan? Ini kan fungsinya untuk menangkap sinyal. For example, yes, we have Wi-Fi spot, and then I think every mobile phone, if we are compare, is different the performance, ya, to catch up the signal. Ya. Untuk menangkap sinyal itu masing-masing mobile phone, I think is different. Nah, itu kan talking about performance, quality. Jadi kalau sinyalnya bagus, strong, I think it's easy to operate. Yeah. For example, watching something, yeah, to download faster. Okay, and then the attractive, yeah. What is the attractive things?
Aesthetic ya. Estetik kan.
For example, ya, apa ya, sesuatu yang dirayakan gitu ya, yang unexpected delight. For example, the mobile phone usually the existing is we need to manual charging, you know. Now is by what is it, just to touch charging, wireless, yeah.
Yeah, right.
Wireless charging. Just put this one. We want it to the bottom inside. So jika itu produk itu ada, maka certification-nya bagus. Betul nggak kayak gitu? So when you have something, the product, and then you found the attractive things, I think you will be happy, satisfied. So that's why the Grab, you know, sharply increase in certification. So if you want to be a winner in the market share, you need to put what kind of attractive thing. Then the other product will get that one. So you have to be the winner. Okay. Yeah, this is how important the Canon model of a customer reference. I think the point is, I'm not sure Pak Rio, PPT, or Pak Limba have this one, but I will check later. Yeah, if they don't have, I will discuss, because we need to let the student know about this one. Yeah, because the Kano model, we understand what the kind of basics requirements, yeah, and then how to fulfill the performance, and then finally how to win the product.
Sorry Pak, I have a question. Like,
Yes.
in real industry, there are some company that have like big league that went to the big league because of the brand itself, like the logo or the name. How does that comprehend with the Kano model? Like for example, maybe in the fast food, McDonald's, like that. It's very popular because of the name itself.
Yes, that's right.
How did that comprehend? What did they use in here?
Yeah. You know, we are not fair if we are compared now, because the McDonald's branding is a long time ago. You know, this is take a long time to be a famous until came to Indonesia. I believe in starting method, ya, waktu launching peluncuran pasti akan dia akan memenangkan itu kan sudah terbranding, sudah fasenya kan maintain aja gitu. Ya, jadi kalau marketing itu kan ada start fase, optimal fase, decline fase. Yang decline itu kan maintain, tinggal memaintain aja, nambahin menu, modify menu, iya kan? Ada menu tambahan kan kalau di McDonald's. Nah itu untuk survive, untuk maintain the market. Tapi kalau awal itu ya improve, innovation untuk bisa membranding itu, untuk branding atraktif misalnya transaksi, ya, and then understand different place will be different kind of taste. Jadi bisa mungkin a little bit spicy compared to West people or something like that. Attractive. Even I'm not sure. Maybe you can compare well with the KFC, for example. The kind of different attractive things between McDonald's and KFC.
Berarti mereka udah bukan di fase kayak baru awal gitu ya?
Iya, bukan. Kita ini fase awal untuk melakukan inovasi secara keseluruhan. Kalau McDonald's kan tinggal nambah menu aja kan, tapi ayamnya kan tetap aja. Iya kan, nambah apa itu macam-macam dari potato, dari lupa lama nggak beli long time ago. Okay, so implemented mechanical performance, ya, key for benchmarking, competitive positioning, attractive innovation driver, ya. Jadi McDonald's tetap atraktif, tetap dikembangkan. Itu tadi dia memunculkan berbagai macam packaging, kemudian sampai juga nambahin mainan anak-anak. Dia kan paket kids itu kan ada toys-nya. Toys itu juga untuk brand differentiation, ya, untuk membedakan dengan yang lain. I think KFC become fine toys maybe. Nggak ada kids yang namanya ya, it's different. Nah itu ya untuk aktif. The we can see from the picture ya, how the performance compare is not clear. It's like the duration of apa yang lupa. This is the attractive things. We are not expecting on this one. Mengejutkan gitu ya. Okay, so process how to collect the customer needs is we need to get the raw data and interpret data, organize. Yeah, I think it's step by step. Yeah, just following the step, reflect and validate. Yeah, we need to validate our data. For example, we have 100 respondents. Kita membaca list 100 orang, ada respondents. Tapi kok 2 orang ini kok berbeda? 2 people is different the voice. The other is okay. That is when we interview, they give grade 7 to 8 ya, semuanya 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ini kok ngasih 1 ini, itu ngasih 2 ini. What happened? We need to validate. Oh ternyata dia sangat disappointed, sangat kecewa karena pas beli makanan mereka ada air or something like that. Just disappointed. Yeah. Found something is not apa ya, nggak mengasihkan gitu ya. Makanannya misalnya ada rambutnya tadi atau apa misalnya too salty bersama lagi kan nggak mesti kadang yang sebenarnya. Nah kalau 2 tadi to respondent is different to 98 respondent, you need to validate, maybe to delete or we not use it the sample ya. begitu ya misalnya. Nah, sebentar lagi. Oke, itu prosesnya ya. Jadi ya, the voices come from how we are explore ya, how we can to listen. It's not clear. Like how to collect the information ya, from interview, observation, group discuss ya, survey, complaint is important as well ya. Dulu ini difficult to ini ya, gampang mudah apa namanya tergeser gitu. This complaint ya, very important information as well. Complaint is customer voice. Sama saat saya menjadi ketua departemen, saya juga mendengarkan what kind of complaint ya dari masyarakat. Toilet is dirty, for example, like what we should do ya. Tadi kan should saya harus dilakukan. Okay, and then this one organize. Ya, kalau punya banyak voice ya diorganize. Oh ini this one complaint talking about design, this one talking about the function. This one talking about the kind of components, talking about the the price, for example, like that. Every complaint we need to classify. Usability, reliability, cost concern, performance. Yeah. For example, this one group needed usability. What is usability? What is usability? Easy to use, yeah. For example, like that, too many button is difficult to use. That is group one. Cost concern, expensive in maintenance, yeah. Cost maintenance too high. Okay, group three. For example, like that, yeah. You need to group the voice of customer. Okay, that one, yeah, it's very clear. I put the PPT is very clear ya, customer need, for example, battery life, engineering metric, that's mean operating hours ya, jam operasinya, the parameters, engineering variable, fast performance, processor speed of the laptop, for example like that. Ya. Okay, summary. We need to true needs the real what the customer needs. Keno graph is very important. Three types of graph, basics, and then don't forget what the kind of attractive of the product. That's the customer love it. Surprise. Okay, yeah. And then this is the project. I will detail. Yeah, we have decided that IUP student talking about the project is shopping strollers. Dari Pak Remba kita diskusi katanya shopping stroller ya udah ikut Bapak. Jadi nanti in this project we need to identify what the kind of strollers. You know, because in like supermarket, it's different with the what is in a building material shop. Ya, di toko bangunan akan berbeda kan, yang di bawah itu berbeda. Ya, jadi mungkin because a different what is different the kind of what is stuff that we will put in the shopping trolley, I think it's different design as well. Bawa cat, bawa mungkin berbeda dengan membawa kerupuk, ya, cracker, cakes, ya. So you need to making one team ya, because 5 students, one team, and then going to what you like, we can discuss later, yeah, and then you need to observe the respondent, what the kind of customer from the respondents. I think like that. Okay, yeah, detail what the point that we should do to finish the project, the first project, and then we continue the second project is after the second part. Ya, Pak Lemba ya, Pak Lemba will continue. Any questions before we close?
Maaf, tadi projectnya kira-kira yang pertama kali dilakukan identify dulu masalah customer gitu. Terus kedua desain shopping trolley-nya gitu. Terakhir buat apa gimana?
Model maybe. Modeling, not prototype. Prototype kan nanti di praktikum. Ini belajar aja. Ya. Jadi belajar menginterview. Apa kurangnya kan gitu kan? Oh ternyata rodanya berat, dorongnya berat. Nanti apa responnya? Nanti butuh tenaga kecil untuk menggerakkan. Respon teknisnya tadi itu ya, parameter engineering parametersnya. Respon teknisnya apa? What is the kind of response? Engineering response. For example, making the
Wheel
wheels bigger than before ya. Jadi kalau besar akan lebih ringan. For example like that. The technical response, engineering response. For example like that. For example, a website, contoh something is very difficult. Oh, di apa namanya quality picture-nya dikurangi misalnya, atau apa lagi, Wi-Fi-nya yang diperkuat misalnya, kan macam-macam respon teknisnya. Nah, itu yang nanti dilanjutkan. Kita kan belum belajar respon teknisnya kayak apa. Today we just talking about customer needs, from listening, from observation, from interview. Okay, ya.
Saya juga have a question about the absence, about the absence.
Absence, ya.